Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Solvers. Here I want to find f of g of 3, where f of x is 2 times x plus 3 over x minus 1 and g of x is x minus 1 over x plus 2. This is a good question for you if preparing for GRE and its difficulty level is easy to medium. So let's see how can we solve this. What we are looking for is f of g of 3. We can write this in this format. And to find f of g of 3, we have two solutions or two different approaches. One approach is to find g of x, and then wherever we have x in f, we replace x by g of x, okay? Then we can find f of g of x. And then we replace x by 3, then we have f of g of 3. So this is one solution. The other approach is to directly calculate g of 3 first, and this gives us a number like a, and then we replace x by a and calculate f of a, and well, then we are done. So of course the second approach is easier, so we'll go through that. That means we first calculate g of 3, and to calculate g of 3 I need to replace x by 3. Here I replace x by 3, and here I replace x by 3. So we get 3 minus 1 over 3 plus 2, and this is 2 over 5. So this 2 over 5 is g of 3, okay? And now we need to find f of g of 3. And we know g of 3 is 2 over 5, so we need to calculate f of 2 over 5. What does that mean? That means here, here we replace x by 2 over 5, and we replace x here by 2 over 5. Okay, so we have 2 times 2 over 5 plus 3 over 2 over 5 minus 1. And this equals 4 over 5 plus 3 over minus 3 over 5. Okay, and well, in numerator, let me write it here, we have f of g of 3 that equals f of 2 over 5. In numerator here, we have 4 over 5 plus 3 over 1. Then we need to find the least common denominator between 5 and 1, which is 5. And then we have 4 over 5 plus 15 over 5. Okay, so instead of 3, I can write 15 over 5. And why is that? Well, we had 4 over 5 plus 3 over 1. And here I need to find the least common denominator between 5 and 1, which is 5. Then I have 5 here, then I just write 4. But here I do not have 5. I multiply that by 5. I multiply the numerator by 5. It gives me 15, and then we have 5 in the denominator. Okay, so that means I can directly write this as 4 plus 15 over 5. And in numerator we have minus 3 over 5. Well, this 5 and this 5 cancel out each other, and what is left is 19 over minus 3. And this is f of g of 3. Okay, so we are done for this question.